So this is going to be a bit of a weird one and a first for me. I'll try and make it a quick one, but for YouTube at least, filming it on my phone. I'm actually in Dubai Mall right now. So let me just show you what I'm up to. So I'm launching a brand new agency that is on my company website, webleyglobal.com, and it basically helps people add agentic AI into their business. So if you own a business, you can come here and you can book a call with me for free, and I can tell you where AI can fit into your business and where it can't. And if I can help, look at me. If I can help, then I will. And all you've got to do is book a free call, right? Here's the thing, right? This website was totally built by my AI agent. So it wrote it, it designed that little logo, it created, it did the terms, it did everything, and I can do it all via a voice prompt in Telegram, which is what I've been doing. So also what I'll show you, which is interesting, I still need to tweak a few little bits and train the agent properly, but so here, look, you can see blog. Now I've not looked at this, so I probably shouldn't click it, but I'll tell you what I'm doing. So I've created an automated blog, and here it is. So this is my agent, the automated blog agent, that's going to create 3 blog posts every day. That's a little bit aggressive, but I figured it is what it is. So I'm not interested in just being like AI slop. I want them to be like current stuff that's going on. So I did something called creating a reverse prompt. So I said, let me see if I can see it. So that's five icon stuff. Okay, so here we go. So I got it to create the prompt. So I did this via voice. This is Telegram. Obviously I can speak to it on my phone. It's hooked up on my phone, but here I'm speaking to it. I'm speaking to it via Telegram on my desktop. But I got it to do a reverse prompt. So I basically said, look, what do I need to do to create the perfect automated blog prompt, right? And it wrote me the prompt. So these people that think you need to be a prompt engineer, nope, it don't work like that. You get the AI to write you the prompt. So this is it writing the perfect prompt to create a blog post for my new AI agency website, right? So this is the prompt. It's 3 parts, look, and I voiced it. So I voiced it, and then it wrote back to me with this prompt. I'm telling it like to do current research on X, YouTube, on Reddit. I'm telling it to write in a human voice. I'm telling it to SEO and stuff. I'm doing multiple things in this thread at the same time. So you can ignore most of this. But yeah, so it fixed the term. Yeah, just doing bits and bobs. So I told it to update my SEO as well. You can see it created this blog post here. Where is it? So it created this blog post here. Yeah, it said something really rubbish here, but this title tag, which is important for SEO, just said blog pipe Webley Global, right? So I just told it, just do the SEO of the site, right? And here it is, it's done it. It's changed blog pipe Webley Global to agentic AI blog for business owners pipe Webley Global, which is better, right? And it's updated the website. I've not had to do anything other than voice my bot. So I just voice my bot on my laptop or on my phone, and it updates this website. Like it's built the entire thing. I've done nothing. I've written nothing on it. I've designed nothing on it. It's doing it, and it uploads it all. So, and this is going to create basically 3 blog posts every single day. I'm not going to have to do anything. It will just do it for me. So this is me voicing the bot. If I look, it's transcribed it. Give me a downloadable text file of that prompt for the automated blog post, and it did it. It's gave me the text file, and then I've just remembered I've not read the prompt. I didn't need to read this prompt. I've just remembered to tell it to humanize it. So we need to humanize the text that we write. It should not give any AI clues away, and every post should be optimized properly for SEO and for the AIs. Now, realistically, you've got a slight problem in that this is running off Codex, and Codex is not the best writer. So ideally, I would have Claude write this, but I'm just showing you basically I just started doing this. So it's updated the prompt. So there's the prompt, and then I fed back the prompt that it created for me. I fed the prompt back to it. Let's just have a look down here. And done. I created so I fed the prompt back. So I had it create this website, create this automated blog, design it, and all that stuff. And then I had it create me a prompt by reverse prompting, by telling it what I wanted, and then I fed the prompt back to it to actually create the automated blog every day. And here we go. I've not read these, so it might be a disaster for me to do this live for the first time, but here we go. It's written the blog posts, and it's uploaded the blog posts to the website, all SEO'd up, right? So I created and uploaded 3 long-form SEO blog posts. So live now, AI agents need permission rules, browser. So you can see these slugs are SEO'd. So also updated blog index page, sitemap, LLMS, text. So this is how they get found in like ChatGPT and Claude, like recommended. SEO title tags, meta descriptions, canonicals, open graph tags, Twitter tags, blog posting schema, internal CTA to questions. So it's written them, it's posted them live. It said no M dashes, which is important. Each article is over 1,500 words. I did tell it to do long form articles. I don't know how good they are. I've not trained it that far. I've just literally pulled out my phone to create this YouTube video. Oh, I also asked it to add Google Analytics. So I'll get it to do that in a second. I'll even get it to sign up for Google Analytics. I know it's saying I need the Google Analytics measurement ID. No, you don't. I'm gonna tell it to register a new Google Analytics account and add it. So it's going to do it all itself, and all the time, look, it's learning. Self-improvement review, look, patched. Skill in the premium website production. So every time I use this agent, it gets better and it learns more about what I want. So let's have a click on one of these blog posts. I might have to change some stuff. I might regret showing you this without looking first, but YOLO. So as we can see, are the title tags there? So AI agents need permissions rules before they touch your business. Yep. So the SEO title tags there. Have we got a H1 header tag? That's what I'd expect to see here. So if I view source, let's view source. I'll just click view source wherever that is. Where is it? Inspect. That'll do. And you can see if it zooms in, you see that H1. So it's done it properly. H1 header tag is what I'd expect. SEO is one of my oldest skill sets. So it's got H1 header tag, and then here's the actual blog post. I'll need to tweak it probably, but this should have done research based on current stuff that's going down, and it's written it. I could get it to do images and stuff, no problem, but I'm just showing you. And then it's got CTA of apply for a free audit. And if you want to, let's spin me around. If you want to apply for a free audit, if you're a business owner, hopefully, I can't see this, but hopefully you can see me. If you want to apply for a free audit of your business to see where you can add agentic AI into it, whereby I'll pretty much do it all for you and I'll work with you to automate processes in your business, book a call. We'll chat about it. I'll tell you what you can automate, what you can't automate. Realistically, it's most things these days. If you think it's just ChatGPT, like, it's really not. It's gone next level. But if you want to build out marketing, sales, admin, customer follow-up, customer support, all kinds of stuff, we can build out AI employees or AI agents into your business, automate it almost fully, and one person can run 25 agents, and they can be doing all kinds of automated tasks in the background like this. If I leave this running, it'll just create me 3 blog posts every single day. I might have to tweak a couple of bits if I'm not quite happy with them, but it'll learn every time and just get better. So if you want to do that for your business, then click the link below this video, book a call, and I will talk to you soon, and we'll see what we can automate in your business. And if I can't help you, I'll tell you. If I can help you and you want my help, I'll give you a price. And if you say yes, we'll work together and I'll build out AI agents in your business. It will make your jaw drop. it will blow you away. It'll be the best ROI, best investment you ever make in your business. The game's changed. You need to get ahead of the 0.01% of people that already know about this before that becomes 1%, and then becomes 5%, and then it becomes you've got to do it or you go out of business. So you can be ahead of the game. Book a call down below and I'll see you on the call. Right. No edits, YOLO.